Water, wind, ice, and gravity serve as the great natural forces that transport the weathered material and further wear down the surface of the earth. And what is erosion's most powerful agent? Water is the most significant force of erosion. Flowing water in the form of creeks, streams, and rivers can take vast amounts of rock fragments and transport them great distances. A white water raft trip illustrates the power and force of the mighty Colorado River. Starting high in the Rocky Mountains, the Colorado carves a path through hundreds of miles of the western United States. But nowhere does it leave more evidence of its erosional power than here at the Grand Canyon National Park, considered one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. Over millions of years, the flow of the river and the continued effects of weathering have displaced huge amounts of rock fragments and debris, leaving behind this magnificent canyon that's over 200 miles long, 10 miles wide, and over a mile deep. It is important to realize that these erosional forces are still constantly at work, digging ever deeper into the Earth's surface each day. Most flowing water eventually works its way to the oceans of the world. Oceans produce their own form of destructive force and power. Waves beating against a coastal area can cause extensive erosion, as evidenced by these sheer cliffs along the California coast. Here at Big Sur, we see some of nature's finest work.
From the moment water touches the earth, it moves it. We can see this if we look at raindrops on sand. Each drop of water moved some sand. Running water can drop particles in places miles and miles away from where they were picked up. Can you imagine the amount of weathered rock moved by this storm? Or in this waterfall? You can see this at the ocean with each pounding wave. They can break up rocks and shells into smaller pieces. Waves are constantly carrying these materials, along with your favorite sand castles, out to sea. Who knows what new shore they may wash up on?